An iPhone screen repair is a very common fix. Almost all iPhone users have dropped their phone at some point, and shattered screens are a common issue. Luckily, that means they are quick and easy to fix. Screen replacements range in price from $60 to $360, depending on the iPhone model that you have. Battery replacement range from as little as $50 up to about $170. To find out exactly how much a repair will cost for you, contact a local phone repair shop and get a quote. Phone IT Repairs is one phone surgeon you can trust. It is one of the largest smart device repair providers in Australia, and our most senior technicians have over 10 years of experience.